Most charter bus failures don't start on the road. They come from bad choices made before the wheels ever start turning. People chase the lowest rate like it's a trophy. But the cheapest vendor is almost always the most expensive mistake. The first trap is unclear pricing. Every quote should either say all-inclusive or clearly list every possible cost: driver hours, mileage, parking, service fees, and tolls. Experienced operators know their markets and can estimate what tolls, permits, and fees may apply. If a company can't explain those costs up front, they're setting you up for surprises later. The second major mistake, assuming insurance is standard. It isn't. There are levels, and the gaps can leave you exposed. Ask two simple questions. Will they list you as an additional insured, and do they carry umbrella coverage beyond the federal minimum? If the answer is vague or evasive, that's a red flag. You're protecting people and your reputation. The third mistake, choosing a company with no backup plan. Reliable operators belong to networks with vast inventory, multiple buses, multiple drivers, and partners deployed geographically that they can call immediately when things go sideways. Weather, traffic, mechanical failures, force majeure, none of it cares about your schedule. Your partner needs the resources and relationships to pivot without panic. The fourth mistake, trusting a simple yes. A vendor should show you how they handle breakdowns, detours, major events, and peak season demand. Ask how they vet drivers. Ask how they plan routes in their city, not in theory, but based on real experience. Fifth mistake, juggling multiple points of contact. If the company sends you to different reps, dispatchers, and subcontractors, communication will fracture. You need one person who owns the mission. Accountability is not optional. It's the backbone of a successful trip. Sixth mistake, booking late. Quality providers get booked out weeks, sometimes even months, before major events and busy seasons. And the biggest mistake of all, thinking you're simply renting a bus. You're not. You're buying reliability, safety, and control in an unpredictable world. In any city, New York, Atlanta, Chicago, Dallas, you name it, the same truth applies. Your entire event depends on the decisions you make before the engine starts. If you want simple accountability, transparency, and a national network built for contingencies, welcome to Metropolitan Shuttle. Metropolitan Shuttle, where reliability is engineered, not improvised. Call now, 866-556-3545.